Hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for March 6, 2020. NEM Newmount is now joined the field for the alphas. Let's go look at that chart and start some trading here. There it is. We got in triggered in the trade and we went to 13% right off the gate. So that means that we're now moving. Our first exit was down here at the green. We now moved up to the amber golden line, which is the 30-day moving average. Is nothing. Again, the 30-day moving average is extremely common throughout trade schools. Yeah, you hear the 50 in the news, you hear the 200 in the news, but the 30 is where traders are at. And a little learning lesson here. You're doing calls, keep above the 30-day moving average. Doing puts, keep below the 30-day moving average. Make that your dividing line. Keeps it simple. As my daughter would say, yes, it's simple. So we moved up the defense here to it's called defense, and not calling it defense. It's actually should be called profit because we are in profit. So we're now going to call that MA, a profit zone. And it's important. Why? Because once profit zone has been declared, we now are able to go and use additional rules. The defense stays at the 30-day moving average. But once we get in the profit zone, it's anything. So what I'm waiting for will be for a dip. I'm waiting for a dipper to form here. If I can get a higher low over here on Monday, then I will move my stop to here. So let's go ahead and drop in our price value line for 46.80. So we'll come here. We'll call this the SP, which is the stop price. Come down here to the 46.80 and change the color to green. Now, why is that important? It's important because you'll be able to go if you have more than several positions, which you've seen my videos in the past. We have as much as 5 or 6 positions. We want to be able to go through that extremely fast. We don't want to sit there for 2, 3, 4 hours. Well, no, we're here for trading, not a job. So that said, there is Newmount moving over. Gold triggered, but it's at minus 12, so it doesn't talk about there. And let's now go over to the Tigers. And the Tigers have several contracts in pending, but nothing's triggered yet. Well, that pretty much wraps it up on the Losers Become Winners. But I want to give you a little extra today. Yeah, I'm going to give you a little extra. Here it is. You ready? We're going to do a scan. Correct. And we're going to do a scan. I remember I told you about this, that the way I read the market, I run my scanner and I look for closes below the 30-day moving average. Again, it's not a trade secret. It's been around since Michael Koval back in 2013. He probably got it from somebody prior to him. ITA, Interactive Trader, uses it as their main primary strategy. Phil Town uses it with a slightly. Every school has it, and then they have a slight caveat to it. And my slight caveat, mine is, I take profit. I don't wait for the 30-day moving average to catch up to my price. As soon as I get to that profit zone, I grab the profit because why? The portfolio managers in New York are doing the same thing. But they're not, mostly are not doing options. They're doing actual stocks. And that's when the stock goes down, the option goes down. All right. So you can see we have 33 potentials. Yes, you can go ahead and look at this list. Stop the video, write it down. But you are responsible for your own trades. You're responsible for your own trading setups. That said, let's go over and see what the upside has to say. So come over here to personal, come down to all this, and there we are, lost leaders upside. And they have 9. So what does that tell you? That 9 divided by 9 by 42 as a percentage, the market is up for 21% up. And if we go with the 33 divided by the 42 as a percentage, the market has 78% chance of down. That's how I do it. And then I use volume. Volume becomes my next breaker. And that's what it is. All right. Well, that is it. I'm enjoyed showing it to you. And we're back here at Newmount. And that's it for the winners and losers for today. Well, actually, this recording being done on a Sunday, which is also proof I am an end of day trader. Yes, I just finally got around to checking out on the account because it's Friday. Now, of course, Monday through Friday, you have to do it probably in the afternoon or before bedtime anyway. All right, with that said, I thank you all for checking out Losers Become Winners for March 6th, 2020.